Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 4th, 2026, and we're diving into NeuroPace's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. NeuroPace has been making significant strides in the medical device sector, particularly with their RNS system for epilepsy treatment. I'm excited to discuss their recent performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. NeuroPace reported a revenue of $26.6 million for Q4 2025, marking a 24% increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by the RNS system, which saw a 26% increase in sales, reaching $22.4 million. This indicates strong market adoption and effectiveness of their sales strategy. Additionally, the gross margin improved by 200 basis points to 77.4%, thanks to a favorable product mix and manufacturing efficiencies.
Despite the revenue growth, the company reported a net loss of $2.7 million. How should investors interpret this?
While there is a net loss, it's a significant improvement from the $5.3 million loss in the same quarter last year. This reflects better cost management and operational efficiencies, which are positive signs for future profitability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 14 cents for NeuroPace, but the company reported an actual EPS of 8 cents. John, what does this tell us?
This is a positive surprise, as NeuroPace outperformed expectations by 0.6 cents. It suggests that the company is managing its expenses better than anticipated, which is encouraging for investors looking for signs of financial discipline and potential profitability in the future.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. NeuroPace reported an adjusted EBITDA of $0.9 million for the second consecutive quarter. How significant is this for the company?
It's quite significant. Achieving positive adjusted EBITDA indicates that NeuroPace is moving towards operational sustainability. Their cash position also improved to $61.1 million, providing a solid foundation for future investments and growth.
Looking ahead, the company has reiterated its 2026 guidance. What are the key points here?
NeuroPace expects revenue between $98 million and $100 million, with RNS system growth projected at 20% to 22%. This guidance reflects confidence in their core business and potential expansion into new indications, such as idiopathic generalized epilepsy, pending regulatory approval.
Strategic initiatives and product development. NeuroPace has been active on the strategic front, with several initiatives underway. Can you elaborate on these?
Absolutely. They've submitted a PMAS to the FDA for expanding the RNS system's indication to include idiopathic generalized epilepsy. Additionally, their Seizure ID tool, part of the NeuroPace AI suite, has been submitted for FDA review. These initiatives, along with favorable reimbursement updates, position NeuroPace well for future growth.
How do these developments impact their competitive positioning?
These advancements enhance NeuroPace's competitive edge by broadening their product offerings and improving clinical outcomes. The AI-driven tools, in particular, underscore their commitment to innovation and personalized patient care.
Key takeaways. In summary, NeuroPace has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2025, with impressive revenue growth and an EPS that beat expectations. Their strategic initiatives and solid cash position set a promising stage for 2026. John, any final thoughts?
NeuroPace is on a positive trajectory, with a clear focus on expanding their market reach and enhancing their product offerings. Investors should keep an eye on their regulatory milestones and continued execution of their growth strategy.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stockwatch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on NeuroPace's performance in the comments below.